Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Hope you're having fun and keeping safe. I am too. And what is this video about? This is the setup for installing all the things that I have to install to get the front end all set up. I've gone as far as I can go pretty much with the pressure bar, with the pressure bar. And there is that lifter lever for the upper tension device stud pin to release the tension up there. The other thing that I can tell you with regards to that is that everything is, it's kind of like that old school song when you were a little kid, you know, the shin bone connected to the knee bone connected to the leg bone or the hip bone or whatever. And in order to have everything work here in the front end, you need that needle bar driving arm and the vibrating bracket and all that, and the selector, you pretty much, and the take-up, the needle bar take-up thread system, all that pretty much has to be in order for the front end, whether it be the press bar, the needle bar vibrating bracket, and all the rest of it to work. It's really difficult just to go in here and put one part in. So here I've got this is for the needle bar vibrating bracket connection. Here's the needle bar vibrating bracket itself, and that's what it all connects to. And at that end, the needle vibrating bar connects to that. That's where the cam stack sits in there. And I don't want to put that on and leave it flapping loose, because that's how things get broken. And I'm not here to break things or show anybody how to break things. So here's my little intro video to what the video I'm going to make later. And I'm going to go for a walk, and it's Sunday around, what time is it? It's 8:44 at daylight, New York time, Detroit time, Toronto, Montreal time. So I'm going to go for a walk and come back, and the place where I'll start will be with the selector. So that's what's going on, folks. And thanks for dropping in, and I'll get back to you later today. Enjoy your Sunday, your week, the rest of your weekend, and enjoy your machines, your crafts, and your creativity. Stay safe, have fun. I'll chat soon. Ciao.